Lose weight fast with this homemade beverage. Greetings, welcome to Healthy Lifestyle channel where you can find tips to improve your health and be happier. Today we are sharing a weight loss secret that you will find useful if you have been looking for an effective way to shed those unwanted kilos. Losing weight is easier said than done. A lot of people find it difficult to get rid of those excess pounds, and most of them invest a lot of time and cash in finding the best solution. Many of them start to feel frustrated as the summer season draws near, since they are far from achieving their ideal bikini body. We know how hard it is to get rid of the stomach and thigh fat. How can you kickstart that fat-burning process, speed up your metabolism, and stimulate your digestion? Here is a homemade recipe that can help you burn those fat fast without having to experience the JoJo effects down the road. Note: take this mixture 1 hour before you go to sleep. Plus, you must not eat anything a few hours before you ingest the homemade beverage. What you need: parsley, lemon, apple cider vinegar, cinnamon powder, honey, ginger. This beverage is very simple to make. All you need to do is combine all the ingredients mentioned above until they become a homogeneous mixture, and voila, your drink is ready. Drink it every day, and in just a few weeks, you will notice a difference in your weight. There are many reasons why you need to embark on a weight loss journey. Apart from improving your body image, getting fit and healthy offers several other benefits. Once you shed those unwanted pounds, you will improve your sleep quality, experience less joint pain, reduce seasonal allergies, notice that food tastes better, improve your sex drive, experience fewer colds, boost your memory, have clearer skin, gain confidence, feel energized, breathe better, minimize snoring. Do you know of any other homemade beverage that can help lose weight? Drop a comment below and we'll add it to our list. Don't forget to like and share the video to your friends and family. Hit the subscribe button so you'll be kept updated whenever we upload new videos. Until next time, and remember, a healthy life is a happy life.